We'll guide you through how to make a single-page landscape in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they need better control over document formatting, especially when working with mixed content. To begin this tutorial, open your device and making sure it is fully ready to use. Connect to a stable internet connection before continuing. Open your preferred web browser, then type docs.google.com into the address bar and press Enter to access Google Docs. Once the website loads, open an existing document or create a new one, and wait until the document is fully loaded on your screen. Next, scroll through your document and locate the specific page that you want to change into landscape orientation. Once you find it, place your cursor at the very beginning of that page. After that, look at the top menu bar and click the Insert menu. Scroll down through the options, then select Break. From the submenu, choose Section Break, Next Page. This step will separate the selected page into a new section, which allows you to apply different formatting. Now, scroll to the end of the same page you want to modify. Place your cursor at the very end of the content on that page. Once again, click on the Insert menu, select Break, and then choose Section Break, Next Page, again. By doing this, the page is now fully isolated in its own section, meaning changes will only apply to that specific page. After isolating the page, click anywhere inside that page to make sure it is active. Then, go to the top menu bar and click the File menu. From the drop-down options, select Page Setup. A new window will appear. Inside this window, locate the Orientation section and choose Landscape instead of the default Portrait option. Next, find the Apply to setting and make sure you select this section so that only the chosen page is affected. After confirming your selections, click the OK button to apply the changes. The selected page will immediately switch to landscape orientation.